So where are you going? Here. Do you want to take the dog? Look at the dog's over there. Awesome. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're about to pull up. Come on. Ugh, there you go. So the dog likes to eat this kind of grass over here, the light green grass, dark green grass. So this is dog. The eye color. So comment down below what kind of dog is this. Look at that. Eyes. Hi, Puppy. Hi. Don't get near it. We don't know the dog. Remember? Daddy. Call it Luna. No, let's call it. Comment down below what do you want to call the dog. Harley. Come. No. Harley. Harley. No, Harley. Here. No, 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 no. She was about to get this doll when she got her Christmas. She was about to give it to the dog. Dog will eat anything, so stop. It's dog. Gorgeous. No, 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 no. Let's go give it some food. This still have some different decorations. And look how many sports they have played. LSD, some more, and yeah. Some more there and some more inside that bucket. Come on, Heidi. We're just out in the woods and we just saw a pack of dogs. We just saw a lot of wolves. So this is a weird neighborhood. This is a cabin.